What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fresh One. We're about to go jump on an overnighter, hit up the Mustang, go look for these bluefin tuna, get the salty mama. I'm here with Long Rod and Jackpot. Alright, and Jackpot. Got the gear.
You gotta get the plate.
We're going no plate. And that's it. So hopefully we get a nice fucking bluefin, anything, and have a good time. So catch you in a little bit. Later. Alright guys, we're here. Word has been it's only to be line shy bluefin. Because they're only biting 40 to 25 pound fucking floral. Didn't see anything really big coming off right now a little while ago. But we're gonna see what we're gonna do, so go give it a try. You guys ready?
Ready.
You guys ready?
Ready. Let's do it.
Alright, we got the Shimano Speedmaster. They got a Pen Torque 60 LD2. Woohoo! Got my Pen Fathom 230.
Hey, they just put some
And I got my Trinx 500. So, I'm ready for them. See what happens.
Life-saving gear on board. Life jackets located inside the galley underneath the galley benches. Life rafts are located on the upper deck, and the life ring is located on the bow. I believe everybody stepped inside, got signed in on a ship manifest. You are going to want to remember that.
Yeah, skunks off. Last time I did this, we got skunked. So first fresh one, Sandy.
This is crazy.
Oh, you got bigger. Yeah, I'm big. Watch out. I got a big sound back. Oh my god. Damn, that's a fucking whopper right there, boy. That's a fucking big sandy. Yeah, sand bass? Wow. 15. Yeah.
Got the rough.
Big fucking 19-inch fucking sand bass right there. Yep. So stuff. Oh, the catfish got a little scoping. Yep. So, just don't touch the spike and probably give you 12. There's oat over there. I'll the Aztec.
This is freezing.
A little guy, but at least it's a guy. Hot rail. Coming under you. Shit. There you got deep color. The deep color. Come on, Nancy, brother. Color, deep color. Color. Give. I took another dive right now. Goes higher, but Yeah. Alright, buddy. Just want to eat you.
Don't want to hurt you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Nice job, dude.
Yeah, brother. On the Mustang.
Oh, yeah. Nice fish.
Thank you.
Can we help you out one
No,
second?
thank
Let's
you,
get
guys.
this gap.
Oh, I get it out, brother. Yep. Yeah, that's my girl. And a circle hook right in the corner of the mouth.
Oh, good job.
Oh, cool. And the spike. Dang, boy.
Doesn't torture them. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Sorry, brother.
Babe.
Yeah? Cool.
Yeah, just put them down.
Oh, sorry.
No. Thanks, man. What
Yep.
number are you?
15.
15, you got it.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Thanks.
Pro.
Nice and slow.
Swing around this corner, literally swing around this corner.
Up, pull up, reel down, okay? Pull up, reel down. Slow. Do it slow.
Which side?
Well, it's pulling left. Right. Just follow your fish left. Follow your fish left. Pull up, reel down. Slowly. There you go. Oh, another biter! Go to your right now. Hey, come right, bud. Come right. Under. Watch your tips. Watch you guys' tips, guys. Like under. Lift the. Oh, another fresh. Another one.
This thing's out.
Okay.
I got one.
Going under. Going under.
Oh, come on, man.
I don't know if you're tired or whatever. Okay. Doing good.
Oh my god,
Hold
right
on.
there.
Hold on. Hey, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, man. Relax. 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 Come here. Ready? There you go. Alright, good job. We got deep color. We got deep color right here.
Help me, please.
Oh,
Reeling all the way up.
she's coming. Stars deep color. Oh, it's a bonita. Here. We'll lift it up and everything. Hold on, dude. Woo! It's a big bonita bite. I need a gaff, or I'll get one. Let me see, babe. Let me see. Come here. We reel up. Come, bring it over here. Bring it over here. Come here. Bring it over here. Hold on. Hold on.
That's the biggest one I've caught.
The big one. Oh man, that's a big bonita too. Nice big bonita. Good job, babe. Let me see. Good job. Huge bonita. Here, hold it. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. You have to hold it tight.
Here we go.
Let me see.
27.
Hold it up to me. There you go. See?
Mom, pendejo, coño. What did you say?
Come on. Sorry, bro. All the way left, Ash. Right, Ashley. Come to your right. reel down. Pull up and then reel down. There we go. There we go. Ah, fresh one! Oh. Under. Oh. Okay, now, yeah, there you go. Right, there you go. Another big bonita.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Come right there. Need a gap on the starboard. That's right. It's all good. It's all good. Smoke bonita. Smoke bonita. There. That's how you do it right there. Alright, so we're just getting off the Mustang. It was slow pickings. My boy limited out. I got a bluefin, a couple of bonita, Jimmy and Star. Very big bonita though, pretty awesome. Tackle recommendation is gonna be a setup with like a 15 size reel, full spool, 25 pound, 25 pound fluorocarbon. Other than that, you're not getting bit, at least for the way that we were fishing today. So
A 2-aught.
anyway, yeah, we had a good time. See you next time. Fresh one.